Pennsylvania. Oh, it's a campground. It's beautiful in here. Flowers, pumpkins, watermelons, corn, beautiful houses, horses, cows, sheep, goats, and everything nice. Horse! Ooh, horses! Lots of horses here. Can we go back and forth till daytime, nighttime, honey? Oh, it's a colt. Hello, colt. Danny's here. Danny, you're cold. A baby horse. It's a big cornfield over there. And there's a motorcycle. It's a Harley Davidson. Oop. Don't sleep and drive. Oh yeah. Oh look, horses. Another horse. Wanna ride there, Danny? Okay. You need to say para. You go down and para po. You're riding the horse. Para po. Cornfield. They're not yet harvesting the corn. There's a body of water there. What is that used for, honey? To feed the horses, I guess.